Back. Another really big difference between the desktop series and the industrial series from Markforged is how easy it is to level the bed. Anybody who has a desktop series knows that to level the bed you have to print the little test circles, and that's not too bad. I mean, it takes 4 minutes, and then if it's off you probably have to print another one, so maybe it takes 10 minutes total. But look how easy it is to do on the industrial series. You simply hit start. And now it's going to do a laser scan of the bed. There's a laser on the print head. Okay, now that it's done its scan, it's going to go back to home. And then we'll hit next, and it's going to go to each screw. And on the screen here, you can actually see how many microns you're off. So look how precise you can get this. We're too high by 3 microns. So put it down a little bit. You touch that screw, you see how sensitive it is, the arrow jumps all over. So let's try and get it to 0 here. There we go. Then we hit next. I'm going to move to the next screw. Okay, how are we doing on this screw? We are -2 microns. We're going to adjust that. And all I'm doing here is adjusting this little screw under the print bed. So we're good on that one. Now we'll hit next. We're going to adjust the screw in the back now. This one we are +2 microns. So let's get this screw a little bit lower. And we're at 0. And it's just that easy. Now you're done. It does one more scan just to make sure that it's perfect. And it's very nice. The laser does all the work for you. Okay. On the screen it says, your bed is now level.